Sitting inside a car of an international cab service company, Mr. Sunil Sharma, a 69 years old man, cleans his eyeglasses. It's raining cats and dogs outside. It's a stormy, thundering night. Traffic is moving slower than expected. He looks outside and he sees the city has changed a lot. He can clearly remember the city from his memory. 30 years back, he was a young, enthusiastic construction engineer. He joined a newly formed company. He got the role of a supervisor and he had to complete 4 projects simultaneously over a period of 5 years. The company was young and he was too. He had to complete the project within the time frame. The company had to prove itself within its limited capital. He remembers the annoying assistant engineer who was always poking him on many issues. He didn't understand the world is not a perfect place. One day he came, "Sir, the supply company isn't supplying quality cements and quality TMT bars as our quality requirements." Amit said angrily, "You should talk with their higher authority, sir." Sunil mutters, Amit was an honest idiot. He didn't survive the corporate world. He complained a lot and then he resigned within 2 months. Sunil called the supply company. Their top management were not available for 2 to 3 weeks. He discussed the issue with his upper management too. The upper management told, "You decide, Sunil, but we need to complete the project within the time frame." The phone is ringing. The cab is still standing in the traffic. Sunil picked up the phone. "Grandpa, when are you coming? I will not cut the birthday cake if you don't arrive on time." 6-year-old Simi warned her beloved grandpa. After assuring Simi that he will arrive at time, Sunil put the phone down. His son is now in the city working in a multinational IT firm for last 5 years. He lives here with his beloved wife and sweet daughter in the 16th floor of multi-storied apartment building. Sunil goes on thinking his days in the city. He praised himself. "I was a hard-working engineer. The decision was not easy for me back then. I had to complete the project on time and only 5 floors were remaining. I did complete all the projects on time and got promoted 3 times to the director level within next 2 years. The traffic isn't moving at all." Suddenly, Sunil notices all the cars are taking U-turn. Police has put the barricades in front of the road. The sirens of fire brigades and ambulance are shouting. "What happened?" Sunil asked the driver. The driver didn't know, so he opened news channel in his newly bought Android mobile. The top 5 floors of a building has collapsed. It was made by the same company whose another building this year was evacuated after only a mild earthquake. The oppositions are demanding the thorough investigations and The news continued. A chill came down onto his spine. He is sweating like anything. It is his company. He called his granddaughter to inform that he will be late tonight, but nobody picked up the phone. He is worried and spent the sleepless night in a hotel room. He called Simi hundreds of times, but nobody answered. Next day, he got a call from an unknown number. Mr. Sharma, this is Inspector Patil speaking. We got your number from the emergency contact of your son's mobile. I am sending 2 constables to escort you to the morgue to identify the bodies. Sunil is sensing impending doom. His body is trembling. His voice is trembling. His heart is pounding. Bodies? I am very sorry to say that in last night's building collapse, nobody has survived. And from your son's apartment, we got 3 bodies. One of them was a little girl. What? Sunil's vision is getting blurry. He is feeling out of breath. Sunil lost his consciousness. Later, Sunil identifies body of his own family. After 3 days, a news came. The directors of the construction company is arrested as one of the directors named Sunil Sharma did suicide from the roof of a 5-star hotel, and he disclosed all misventures of the company in his suicide note. And the news goes on. Like the building, our body also needs supply of essential raw materials. Our body regenerates and rejuvenates daily at night by using these raw materials. If we don't supply the essentials, the construction will be weak, and when the building will break down, it will not break down slowly. We may not be able to survive. Remember, like the building, the body also breaks down and scattered suddenly. Be aware and supply your body with the essentials to regenerate